Hello friends, today I will be talking about LaTeX, the tool which is used to write the research papers, reports. This will help in developing your documents for projects or even a research final submission. So this is very interesting tool, and you need to have some basic knowledge about coding, some basic, not too much, and it will definitely help in preparing your document. Once you are good with this one, the papers, whatever you are going to publish in any of the research journals, it will become a easy task every time. So, like many of you may be facing problem with the bibliography. The Springer or IEEE or any other journals, Science Direct journals, they have their own pattern of writing the bibliography. So every time adopting to that kind of bibliography will make a difficult task for many researchers or many scholars. So this tool will eliminate those kind of complexities. Once you're ready with your bibliography, you can just use one command so that it will complete or it will convert that kind of bibliography into any required format. So let us begin this one. Today I will be sharing the installation process. There are two things you need to download. After that, you install them, and we are ready with the LaTeX IDE, wherein we will be typing our document. And today I will try to show the IEEE paper, how to prepare the IEEE paper, research paper on LaTeX. Okay, now for doing or for working with LaTeX, you must have a repository. So to download that repository, you go to https mictext.org download, and download the repository which is required for working with the LaTeX. So this repository work in the background. Once you install the repository, next you have to go for installing an editor, which is a front end. Once it is installed, you have to link all the things with the repository. Okay, to link it on the start of the technique center, which is the icon will be shown like this. Okay, and that will be uh, clicked. When it is clicked, it will ask for a repository binary file. So you have to go to the program files and find the mictext folder. In that you need to go for, you know, to go in bin folder, and once you go there, just click OK, and all these options will be enabled. Okay, so once it is done, next is starting with the report writing. So as I told, I will be sharing IEEE format. So let me open that IEEE format. So share the screen. So this is how paper looks. You can see the conference paper title, and it is a 2-column. Okay, how its quality, when you print on a paper, it will be a very good quality compared to the Word format. The table, the figures, whatever you see on this one will be very what is it, with a good clarity or quality. You can see the reference here. Okay, so now let us see how to prepare this kind of document. Okay, and what are the things involved here. So let me share that one now. So this is a code, what you can see. Okay. Now I'll just change the title here. You can see. I'll show you the title, how it can be changed. And then I'll explain what all the things you have here. So I will show you how it can be run. Just save it and build it. Your document will get updated with the things whatever I have done. I'll show you that one. You can see here, whatever the text I have changed there, it has been updated on the our PDF file also. So this is very interesting and very fast way of writing the document. Your time will be saved once you understand all these things. So I will show you now that code. What do you mean by every part of that code? Okay. So now you see here document class. So document class, if you write a conference, okay, and if you're publishing your paper in IEEE journal, okay, here you need to type journal. So IEEE transaction, it will take that format, and if you have a Springer, it will take that. You need to write that Springer, and that class file should be there in the folder where you have this file saved. Okay, and here are some packages it is using, similar to other program files. Title, so backslash title, if you type, it will be taken as a title as I shown, and you can start giving the author names here one by one. So it will take the author name, and it is also mentioned here IEEE author block N. So every journal, every conference paper, or every reputed journals, they ask in a particular format. So here, no need to remember what kind of font or what is the orientation of the text, whether it is a bold or a normal text. No need to remember all those things. You just write it like author block N. So it will take in that format. That's how it is simple. Next, make title is a code which makes the which gives the title, which start with the title. Then your document starts. You can see here, I'm just write abstract. Abstract means the abstract part of the document, and you can type your abstract here, and you can mention the keywords. Again, if you want to make the what is it, the format in the IEEE format, so you just need to mention IEEE keywords. It will take that format, whatever it may be, maybe bold, maybe some what is it, italic kind of thing. So whatever it is there, no need to remember all those things. You need to just type it. It will even this program will make everything for you. Then you start section introduction, and you can add some subsections if you want. No need to remember the numbers also. So like if you have a section like 1, so subsection will be 1.1. So no need to remember it. If you just type subsection, it will take the number. Okay, whatever the format prescribed by the IEEE transaction, you can say, or class file. Okay, then subsections you can see. Then here you can see itemize. Itemize in the sense we are giving numbers like or we are giving some symbols like stars, point wise when we are writing. So no need to write any points like 1 point, 2 point, something kind of that. It automatic takes if you write item. Okay, so here you can see itemize. So itemize starting here and it is ending here. Next you have equations. Again, very interesting thing here. You can write any complex equation using LaTeX. So I already done one video on this one using Studio, Text Studio, wherein I am writing the mathematical equation, very complex mathematical equation using the latex. Okay. Then subsections, as I told, then BibTeX, bibliographic data. Bibliography, as I told, it is the most complex and most oftenly observed part of the paper, which needed a special care by a researcher or a scholar whenever they are mentioning about those references. So we have very interesting thing here. I will show you that one in the last part of the code. So here you can see table. How to write a table? You can see begin table. You can give the caption, whatever you want for that table, and alignment, whether you want it is center, left, right, whatever you want. So you can mention here. And tabular, for tabular, this means columns, C, 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 C. It means it's having 4 columns. 4 columns. So like this, H line means horizontal line. Next to it will come again. So separated by ampersand. So the data will be stored in the table, whatever you mentioned here. End the table with the end table command. Then figure, again, very interesting. How you want figures to be there in the document. So you always start with the begin figure, center line, then caption. You can give the caption, label it, and you can give the path of that figure, or you can put the diagram or PNG file or JPEG file in a folder where this code or this file is there, where you have saved it. Okay. Then you can give an acknowledgement like this section reference. You can see here. This is very interesting. Cite B3. You can see what do you mean by it? It means the citation part. Okay, you are citing third bibliographic atom. Okay, now it is very interesting to write a bibliography in this type of journals and conferences. So here one type I'm showing because there is one more type called wherein we are creating one bib file. That is more interesting, that I will take maybe in the next video whenever I again take this latex as a topic. But here one way of representing or one way of writing the bibliography I mentioned here. You can see bib item B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. Now here you have to give whatever information you have related to that particular author and a journal. Okay, so as we have mentioned over there above the IEEE class, so whenever I use the word cite, it will take according to that one. If you use a Springer, it will take the class file, whatever declaration has been done in the class file related to that journal will be taken accordance with that one. So it is very interesting. Once you prepare this kind of bibliography, you can use multiple times. And if you want to add, just you need to add once, that's all. So keep this bibliographic file with you always, because every time whenever you publish on a particular similar topic, maybe you are publishing because you're doing the research in that one. So every time, no need to type everything, just you add one more line or one more paper recently, whatever you have just gone through. So that completes the task. It is very simple. It is very simple. And end this document by end document. So once again, I will share that PDF file. Whatever I discussed now, it will be reflected in that PDF file. You can see now. So abstract, you can see. So I have not done any bold anything. It has taken automatically. You can see introduction. You can see the sections, how it is starting. Okay. Then sections, subsections, I will show you. Itemize. I used a word called item. So you can see it is taking dot because it is declared in the class file. So if in the class file, if they are declared like ABC, it would have taken ABC. Again, you can see section numbers again. The section numbers are not there. It's a character. You can see D. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, something kind of that, because this is what prescribed by IEEE conferences. That is the same thing. It is shown here. Again, item as you can see here. Equations you can see here. You can zoom it out. The quality you can see. Quality of the equation. I will show you. See here. Quality of the equations. It never splits. Whatever amount you zoom it. And any complex mathematical equation you can write here. Then I will show you the reference part. Very interesting. Here, this is a IEEE conference type of references you can see here, and all are mentioned here. So even you can see the figure, how it is coming, and table you can see. So it's very interesting to create a table, figures, orientation, and bibliography. So hope it will help everybody in preparing their thesis, project reports, seminar reports. I will be sharing some more interesting things about this LaTeX in later videos. Thank you.